Welcome to Techie Leopard channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to end a Microsoft Teams meeting. So to do this, just open up your Microsoft Teams, then just go on Meet and just create a meeting from here. Then you can just click on Join. And then just fix your camera and microphone settings and click on Join Now. This will make sure you join the call. Now, from here, you gotta make sure you're the creator of the meeting to end the call for everybody. Now, if you want to leave the meeting, you have to simply go ahead and click on leave from here. This will make sure everybody else stays in the meeting, but you leave the meeting. But if you want to end the meeting for everybody, what you have to do is right beside that, just click on this arrow button. From here, instead of leave, just click on end meeting. This is going to make sure the meeting ends for everybody and nobody is left in the meeting call. And if you want, you can click on this. This will end the meeting for everybody. As you can see, end the meeting. You will end the meeting for everyone. Just click on end. And there you go. And basically, that is how to end a meeting on Microsoft Teams. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe.